What's up, guys? Scott's here. We're gonna go pick up the FRS. I'm so excited. Right now, Sal's cleaning out his truck, so we're gonna be taking his truck down to El Paso, excuse me, for all you El Pasoians. But we are all going to pretty much sandwich into this tiny ass S10 right here. Yeah. Hey. All right, so that's Sal. Say hi, Sal.
How's it go, guys?
No, you're supposed to say hi, Sal.
Hi, Sal.
There's Anthony.
So,
hi, Anthony.
No.
This is a freaking three-seater.
That's Chris. So we have to take 5 gallons of E85 with us. Yay, because the store doesn't have enough gas cans, I guess. So 5 gallons. Let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
So we got an hour drive in this fucking thing. Please don't get into a wreck. Sal? What's side, dude?
Oh yeah.
Hey, we're allowed to say this.
We're making
we
it
beaner
fit.
packed this.
We beater packed the fuck out of this thing.
We're making it fit.
Hell yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
It fucking sucks.
Stuff we do for your car.
We could have taken your car.
Nah, bro.
What do you mean?
The best way.
Yay! We're stuck! Sal's truck overheated on our way to El Paso. I told him not to do 90. But he did it anyways. So how do you feel about this? I'm just kidding.
I should have drove.
I know you should have drove. What do you mean?
I live like right down the road pretty much.
Water.
Anybody got a pee?
Oh, let's
Yeah.
go. Yeah. I can pee. You need to be a lot of pressure. I can feel it bubbling in there. Yeah.
It's hot. I mean,
I could use the towel and I could like cover it.
yeah, but you're gonna burn yourself.
You don't want anything to escape.
There's a rest area right there. We can run and get water.
Oh wow. Sal.
Means you gotta run across the highway. Yo, we're about to play leapfrog out here, bitch.
You want me to go do it?
No, I won't let you do it.
Dude,
Why?
fuck no.
What?
You go do it. I had water bottles. I literally just had water bottles.
This sucks. This man's about to cross the fucking highway. Yo, if he gets hit, I need 10,000 likes.
What? I'm with Chris. This is so illegal, by the way.
This man is crossing the highway to get us to fucking El Paso. Yo, what the fuck? Highway maintenance, boys.
Okay.
Oh, it's not even, it's brown. It's not even water.
Okay, now we're gonna open this one.
No, 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 no.
Even with this, bro.
No, don't open that one.
Why would you not open that one?
You don't need to open
You
that
can
one.
still open it.
Yeah, but why would you want to?
To let it release more air or more heat. As long as I have this, we're okay.
Is it hot?
Oh,
Dude, that's the nastiest shit I've ever seen.
That shit's hot.
Dude.
It's okay. We'll be okay as soon as we get more water in this bitch.
Hey, I just want to say Anthony should have drove.
I didn't think it would overheat like that. Dude, that thing's hot.
Dude, I need to do a radiator flush.
Here he comes.
Is he really?
Pretty fast.
He's a fast little fucker.
That's good we have him.
Do what?
So that's good we have him.
What's that game called where you jump across the highway?
Leapfrog?
Yeah, leapfrog. Yo, real life leapfrog, yo. But in this game, we only get one life. All right, guys, here comes back. Here comes. All right, guys, Anthony's coming back. He's our first contestant of leapfrog. Let's see how he does. Look at the boy running right there. Now we see our frog in his natural habitat, stuck in the middle of the highway, waiting for these big trucks not to crush it. Sal, get out there, stop traffic. All right, he sees his opening, and he takes off, running with the gas can in hand. Made it.
Cool down.
Well, now you're flushing it out. It's still boiling in there, dude. Clear battery. All right, guys, so we ditched the Model S10.
65 GMC.
Now we're in a 65 GMC. See ya, bitch! Look at this man.
Where's that?
Yo, guys, we just made it with 15 fucking minutes to spare.
Right before it stops.